Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jimiag if you've never seen me before. So today I'm just gonna do like a orange orange brown fall looking look, because why not? I started to do like cartoon inspired looks, but I feel like, I don't know, like their makeup is kind of like minimal, and I don't know if people would notice who I am unless I dress the part as well. And I don't be having everybody outfits, so it will be kind of like a little remix of it. I think I might start doing that, but right now I'm just gonna do like a fall look because I want to do something, and lately I've been getting better at my makeup, so I'm just gonna do my makeup. So yeah, let's get to it. First I'm just gonna prime my face with my Maybelline primer. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm using the color Cappuccino today. Yeah, I'm gonna try doing better at my highlights. That's why I'm going just what I feel may be darker. Maybe it's not darker, I don't know, but Cappuccino. I realized I didn't do my eyebrows yet, so I'm just going in with this NYX pencil. I think it's called like the micro, the word's kind of erased off. The micro brow pencil. I'm going in that with my eyebrows. Sorry, y'all, I'm eating chips. Oh my god, I keep talking on my TV on. So, I just finished my brows. I'm going to highlight with this e.l.f. Concealer in Deep Olive. It looks kind of light, so Deep Olive. And I'm going to contour with this, give me a second, with this black Radiance stick. It's a foundation stick, but I'm, using it as contour. And the color Espresso is pretty deep. Y'all, I've been bad with my contour, and I'm hoping that I can get it right today, okay? Okay, so I didn't say anything. Well, I didn't record me doing it, but I have, not highlighted. The powder I used after I did my highlight was my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Medium Deep. So, yeah, that's the powder I use. Okay, yes, I did put some powder right on, these little areas. I never tried this thing, and I wanted to try it. I wanted to see how it looks on me, or if I could do it right. So yeah, I'm just trying that right now. But I'm going into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna start off with this brown right here. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with that brown, and I'm popping it into my crease of my lid. I think I want to go into this orangey red looking shade right here. Yeah, I don't even know. I'm gonna use like a shimmer on this part I'm cutting, because like, yeah, I'm winging this look. I really am. I don't, at this point, I'm not sure how I feel about it, but hopefully I get the job done. I'm just move on to blush. Just moving on while this dries up here. I'm taking this, I believe it's like my Milani blush. I use this almost every video. Like, look at it, it's going down. It's flat. It's really flat. I'm gonna be sad when it's all gone. I mean, I have my black Radiance, but that one, I gotta really pack that one on. I should not be scratching up my eyes while this stuff is still wet. But y'all, excuse me, I might got chips on my face. Me and my child over here eating chips. That's the only way I can really keep them quiet. That's why I do a lot of voiceovers sometimes. Y'all don't understand. Like, it's hard. It's hard to get videos out there a lot when I have a kid. And I know people, other people have kids. I know that they have children and stuff. But the way my life's set up, like, he's here. He's on my hip. He's attached to my hip. We're in the same room. Okay. So yeah, I can't just send him off to play with his toys in another room, because he's coming right back in here. He's only one. He's about to be 2. He's only 1, so I don't really trust him being alone either right now, because he gets into everything. So, and I just want to kind of just get more makeup videos out there. because I really like doing makeup. I think I do want to change like my concept into doing like recreating like TV show characters makeup, but I don't want it to end up looking the same, because a lot of people end up having like this minimal makeup, but I think I'm gonna just stick to like cartoon characters so it looks a little bit different. I really like this one girl style. She doesn't do any type of cartoon characters, but she said what grew her channel was she does I don't know if anybody watches Bailey Sarian, something like that. Bailey Sarian, I think. She does Mystery Monday makeups, and you know I'll be posting on Mondays, but she does those where she tells like she does her makeup. There he is. She does her makeup and she like tells like mystery stories, or crime stories. And it gets you so engaged to the point where you forget she's doing her makeup, or you can see she's doing her makeup, but you forget her steps. I'm like, I wasn't even paying attention because it's so good. So I think I want to start doing like cartoon character shows, makeups, and then tell you about the show. Maybe that'll be interesting because this month, November, y'all, I'm sorry, I'm just going on like a side note, but this month, November, makes a year since I've been doing YouTube, and I'm getting nowhere. I don't know how many other people is in the same boat. I know a lot of small creators also follow me because, you know, we're trying to grow together. But yeah, it's just like I'm getting nowhere. And people say, oh, you know, be consistent, post often, try to post 3 times a week. That don't work for me. 3 times a week don't work for me. Not with my baby, and he's, you know, a small kid, and I'm working. I mean, granted, I do online, but I'm a sped parent. Sped is a different ball game, and this is my first year doing sped, so it's a lot on me. And I'm trying to run a business, and I've been slacking on that too. And I've been doing better at my TikToks, but with TikTok, it's easier for me to put out makeup videos because I do not talk. I don't say anything. I do my face and I put the music with it. You know, I might mouth a little words here and there, but I'm only mouthing it, so I can mute my video so the music can play with it. So it won't matter if he's here or not. Like, I've done my makeup around him plenty of times and not have to worry about him, you know, being all loud in the background because it's TikTok. I'm just putting sound over it anyway. But YouTube, I can't do that. And when I try to do voiceovers, you know, a lot of people don't like watching voiceovers. And also, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just going on a whole rant. But also, like, sometimes it's hard for me to even do voiceovers because I don't want to sound like, you know, and the mic, you know how you can hear those extra P's in voiceovers. And also, you can still hear background noise if I'm not in a place that's completely quiet. And then sometimes it's hard to get in a place that's completely quiet. So, yeah. I think this is pretty much drying up. I'm gonna go in with, I don't know, y'all. I'm still contemplating between these 2 shimmers. This one is looking at me, but this one's also calling my name. But I feel like this one might go too much, blend too much into this color I already got on my lid, so I might end up just going with that one. I also like this one because, you know, brown fall. I think I'm gonna do this one. You think this will give it a fall look? I think maybe. I'm gonna do this one. And under my eye, I want to just change my color for under my eye. Just do a whole different color. Cause you know some people do that. I'm gonna do a really dark, I'm gonna do one of these browns over here from under my eye, really dark brown. Just in case I don't come back on camera doing that, just know that I use one of these colors. You can tell because this one is really dark and this one isn't as dark. But I'm gonna use one of those for under my eye, and I'm going in this one for this crease. And then after I do that, I'm just come back with the rest of my face, okay? Cause I'm tired of talking, and plus I'm watching Netflix. So just keeping it real. Okay, you guys, this is my final look. I really didn't feel like doing nothing with my hair, so I'm just letting it be in this afro. I did put like a little bit of water on it, but that's it. For the pieces of my looks I didn't show you guys, these are my eyelashes. I got those from Walmart. I think they were like $7, $10 for this pack of, what is that, 5? 4, 5, yeah, 5, yeah. For my lips, I did this combo. Really, I put this on first because I couldn't find this one, but then I found it and I just put it on top. So it's this lip bar color right here. Know It All is the color. And it's, what is it? This is the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. And it is 5405. 5405. I don't see it. I guess that's the color name of it. But yeah, so this is it. There go my child. I think, you know, it's a pretty, I think it's a pretty solid look, you know, pretty nice for fall. So yeah, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to comment, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.